It's a new year. I've got a fresh cup of espresso and an amazing deal to tell you about that Kajabi is doing right now. You can get 3 months of Kajabi for $99. $99 for your first entire 3 months. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about all the things that you can do in that first 3 months to set you up for success. You can use my link at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. We'll get into that more in a second. I'm Lane. This is my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I love to help digital entrepreneurs start and grow their businesses online using the best all-in-one digital online platform solution there is. It's called Kajabi. We'll talk about that more. Until then, let's take a shot. New beans, new year. Okay, like I said, Kajabi's doing a brand new promotion where you can get the entire Kajabi platform for 3 months for $99. Now, what this is going to do for you is allow you to get started on the platform, setting up your online business, getting everything in place, and you can do a ton in 3 months. Effectively, this comes out to $33 a month paid up front for 3 months, $99 for 3 months. That gives you this massive head start on the platform before you start paying the regular price in month 4. I want to mention what you get when you use my link. When you go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi to jump into this promotion, you're going to get the 3 months for $99, and you're going to get a 45-minute one-time free call with me. On this call, we're going to talk about Kajabi, talk about your online business, talk about your plans for it. We're going to strategize together. It's totally your time for us to discuss the plans you have for your business and have me coach you directly. If I do say so myself, this is incredibly valuable. Plus, it's a lot of fun. The second thing you're going to get is my course that I give to the people who use my link. It's called the Kajabi Accelerator. And you're going to get my $25,000 course launch email template. Between the course, which is going to help you get started on Kajabi, between the 45-minute call with me and the $25K course launch email template, you're going to have everything you need for these first 3 months to hit the ground running and build the business that's going to change your life. Kajabi absolutely changed my life when I jumped onto it a few years back. Prior to Kajabi, I had my business all over the place. I was using ConvertKit for email. Before that, I was using MailChimp. I was using a self-hosted WordPress site. I was using Buzzsprout for my podcasting. I was using Teachable for my online course. I had looked into ClickFunnels. Back then, it was just the funnels. I was on leadpages.net for my lead pages. And I was spending a ton of money and a ton of time trying to make all these different pieces of software fit together, trying to make sure that nothing changed, trying to make sure that if I had someone join a course over at Teachable, that I would be okay on ConvertKit, that it wouldn't be marketing a course to them that they already bought, all of that stuff. Well, when I jumped onto Kajabi, I took all of those pieces of software and put it into one. Kajabi's everything you need. It's your online courses. It's your membership site. It's your payment processor. It's your website. It's your email marketing. It's everything. Your podcast. All of it goes into one place. To get all of that for $99 for the first 3 months is absolutely insane. Now, once you jump onto Kajabi, you'll find that even the normal price, which starts at $149 a month for the basic plan, is a massive bargain considering what you would spend if you had to buy all these things individually. Back when I was on Teachable and ConvertKit and Buzzsprout and my self-hosted WordPress site and all that, I was spending a ton. In fact, when I got onto Kajabi, it saved me about $2,000 a year, and it simplified my business and allowed me to make way more money way faster because I wasn't buried in the tech. I was focusing on what I do best, which is looking at a camera and imagining you on the other side and doing everything I can to help you grow and start your business. If I'm over here at my personal brand or on my other online business, Preaching Donkey, helping pastors preach and communicate with confidence and clarity. Those are the things that I want to do. I don't want to be buried in software trying to make everything work. That's where Kajabi comes in. It just works. And this is the best opportunity. If you do it really soon, between now and the 4th, you'll not only get all of the things that I told you, plus 3 for $99, but you'll also get Creator Studio before it launches to everyone. You'll get kind of a sneak peek of that. So jump in, you're gonna love it, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. If you're watching this after January of 2024 and you're like, oh man, I missed the promotion, You can always get 30-day free trial and all of the bonuses that I listed. So either way, go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi. It's going to have the most up-to-date information. But if you're watching this right now, like in January of 2024, jump onto the promotion, 3 months for $99. I'll see you on our call. And in the meantime, while you're jumping over there, check out this video about how Kajabi changed my life. I'll go into more detail about the platform and how amazing it is. Right there, click, and I'll see you in that video.